School to Port Angeles-Sequim car wash man, motorhome wash man. Just did a mini detail package on this. Took about 5 hours. Turned out really good. This truck is for sale. She won't have any problem selling this now. This is a beautiful truck. I'd buy this truck if I was in the market for it. Yeah, the mini detail package. It's all most cars need to be done, you know, at least once or twice a year. And if it's a truck or SUV, get that done, you know, once every 6, 8, 9 months. And you protect your investment, you know, because I'm a detailer and I detail. Well, I'll just show you my favorite tool. Have a great day.